The next sailboat race is scheduled for Sunday, October 11, 2020. It's the final race of this year's Commodore's Cup Offshore Sailboat Racing Series. The race is on the southern portion of the near-shore sailboat racing course. Starting at noon from the Ponce Inlet Sea Buoy, participants will pass inside a marker buoy placed 1,000 feet east of racing's north turn, round a buoy near Sunglow Pier and return to the north turn marker before heading back to the sea buoy. The near-shore sailboat racing course was established this year to focus attention on the waterside of Daytona Beach by showcasing sailboats, which are visible from the shore between racing's north turn and the Daytona Beach Pier. This race is part of the annual Commodore's Cup Offshore Racing Series, sponsored by the Halifax River Yacht Club. Norm Church is race committee chairman. For more information, search for Daytona Sailboat Racing on Facebook, YouTube and Google.